Hey guys, what's happening? How to optimize iMessage usage in iOS 18. You can go ahead and open up your iMessage, okay, and format your messages. Highlight text to apply bold. Let's say, for example, right here I'm typing something, and you're gonna see right here the filter for the font at the bottom. Go ahead and change it to make it moving or small, and if you want to make it bold, you can let me highlight it, then click it, and then I can apply the settings for it, and animate words, add flair with effects like shake, ripple, or explode, right? So react with any emoji or sticker, okay? Press and hold messages and tap the gray smiley icon, or you can click the plus button right here and find the stickers, and you can add sticker to apply the reaction for this message, right? And obviously you can schedule messages for perfect time, and you can type something like this and then hold, right? And you can make it loud, gentle, invisible, ink, whatever, and you can see right here the screen, right? If you want to change that, yeah, obviously. And you can go ahead and click the plus button in schedule, right? And find the scheduling icon to schedule, yeah, send later right here, and you can schedule it to be sent later, right? And then forward that message, okay, for perfect timing. And basically keep messages under wraps, okay? Send sensitive info that stays hidden until tapped. Add an extra layer of privacy and stay connected even offline. This is specifically for iPhone 14 users and newer. Send messages via satellite when you're off the grid, okay? So you can dive into these features in length throughout your research in order to know the new features. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next time.